this is Amy. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how I paint a strawberry. Actually, I'll do two different ones. One's a little bit bigger than the other, but I'm going to go ahead and start off by painting kind of not a real, I don't know how to say it as far as the circle goes, kind of a circle, but it doesn't have to be perfect by any means. I am using Moon Yellow, Engine Red, and Wicker White, along with Sunflower, and also Thicket. These are all folk art. All of them are multi-surface except for the Sunflower. Sorry about that. And brushes I'm using, I don't know why, I'm just like trying to get this done here. It's a flat brush, number 6 by Plaid. It's a one-stroke brush, and then a number 12, also a flat brush by Plaid, one-stroke brush, and then a Westonia fine liner that I'll be using to create the seeds. Alright, so going back to this, I am just creating a somewhat of a circle, but it doesn't have to be perfect by any means. I'm going to go ahead and do basically the same thing using the Moon Yellow and the Wicker White, and just doing a little bit bigger circle. Alright, so then the next step will be to just use the same brush on the smaller one, and I'm going to be loading in the Fire Engine Red. And then what I'm going to do is just start at the top here, make sure I'm on camera here, and then just kind of branch it out a little bit, and then come down, kind of do a little bit of a rounded bottom here, come out again, and then come down, and then just round it up. Now what I'm also going to do is just go back in here with my paints and then clean it up. I have the round top, and then I'm just going to come down here and just round out at the bottom. Do the same over here. So I have my roundness of a strawberry, and then my bottom is going to be round like that. And then I'm just going to do some blending here with the colors. Now if you wanted yours to be more red, you know, obviously you could create that. With using these colors, it'll be a shade of red, because not all strawberries are bright red. Alright, like I said, you can always add more red in and have it lighter in the center if you wish. And up to you. And if you want to go back in and put a little bit more yellow back into the center, just to give it some shading, contrast between the red and the yellow, and you can do that too. Alright, and then we're going to come over here and do basically the same thing with this bigger one, but we're going to slightly kind of have a little bit of a, no, it's not completely flat, but it is a little rounded here, and we're going to come back in like that. Like I said, it comes up just a smidge, comes down in here. We're just going to continue on working with it, and then it'll come down ever so slightly and down into going to keep working it here to do that, and just bring it down into the bottom of your strawberry. You don't necessarily have to have like a ridge right there, but I'm going to do the bottom of the strawberry like that. Excellent. I'm hoping that I'm on the page here, and I'm sorry guys, I know being left-handed is kind of a curse in a sense because it makes it hard for people to see a lot of times. Now you can make this come out even more if you want and have more of a difference there, if you would like to have it shaped out like that instead of kind of like a heart shape. If you wanted to come out more here, you could, and have it rounded even more so out, and then come down and bring it around. Yeah, no two berries are alike. If you have ever looked at them, they're all different. They're different sizes. They could be different colors. Some are riper than others. I don't know if you're like me or not, but I kind of like my strawberries to be firm. I mean, I want them to be ripe, don't get me wrong, but I like my fruit and vegetables to be really firm when I'm getting them. I hate mushy fruit. In fact, I won't eat it if it's mushy. And some people probably prefer it that way, but not this gal. And also too, if you're not good with doing the shapes and such with the brush, you know, obviously you can go back in and you can draw. Anytime you're not comfortable, just draw. Draw, draw, draw. And like I said, this one is turning out to be a little bit redder. Again, this is just a sample of being able to do that. You know, you can have different colors. And like I said, you can make that one redder if you wish to do so. You know, just go back in and put some more red in it. Alright. If you like it like that, then that's great. Alright, so then I'm going to go ahead and put the little leaves on the top. When I was doing my practice one, I actually put the seeds in and then put the leaves on. But I think I'm going to go ahead and do it the reverse way right now. Merely for the fact that I'll just put the seeds where they need to be. And these are really, really easy to do. You are just doing basically the pull and lift, kind of push, pull, however you want to say it. And unfortunately, I don't know why this is not staying more opaque today. It's just not. Alright, so then we're going to just keep working on these and come around like that. I mean, you can put 4 or 5, it doesn't really matter. Another one up here, you can do that. Now I'll just use my flat brush to put in the little stem. You just go like that. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the bigger one. And again, with even putting this part in, you know, they're just not the same. So you can vary them if you're actually putting these together on in a painting of some sort. For the purpose of this video though, I'm just making them the same basically, or similar. You put your little stem on them. And then, now you can do this one of 2 ways. You can go through and just randomly place these with just one color. And for the sake of this video, I'm just doing it all in green and the sunflower. You could also do it in white and black if you wanted to, make your seeds look a little different. And I'm just using this liner brush and just making a quick little stroke. You can make them a little curved, you can make them smaller, longer, vary them, it's fine. Then I'm going to come back into the yellow. Now you can, like I said, with this you could actually dip them and do it all at the same time, meaning that I'm doing like dipping into the green and putting the green in and the yellow at the same time, or just do what I'm doing and come back and just slightly, some are darker than others. That's fine. You can always go back over if you feel like something is too yellow and then just touch it up again. It's fine. Either way. I kind of like when the seeds are black or brown. You could do like burnt umber and then put a little bit of white on them. But like I said, either way, it's fun to do them however you want to do them. Alright, so there you go. 2 quick, easy strawberries that you can paint, add to your paintings, or just do strawberries. You can, throw these in with some flowers too, and make a spray of flowers with some of the fruits. Alright, if you like this video, make sure that before you leave you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. That you also hit that notification bell, and there is a share button underneath this video. If you would take the time to do that and share it on your social networks, I would greatly appreciate it. Alright, until the next video, thanks so much for stopping by. You have a good one.